In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Claude AI chat conversation on your web or desktop for consumer accounts. Whether you're looking to free up some space, tidy your chat list, or simply get rid of a conversation no longer needed, these steps will guide you through the process with ease and precision. First, let's navigate to the Chats or Recents section. You'll typically find this on the left sidebar of your desktop or web interface. This sidebar acts like your handy dashboard, giving you quick access to all your ongoing discussions. Once you're in, you should see a list of all your recent conversations. This list is organized chronologically, but can also reflect frequently contacted chats, depending on your settings. Now, the next step is to open the specific conversation you wish to delete. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the right chat. Once you've confirmed, click on it. This action will expand the chat window, bringing your conversation history into full view. Reviewing the content briefly can also help ensure you're not deleting anything important by accident. With the conversation open, direct your attention to the top of the chat window. Here, you'll usually find the conversation name prominently displayed. This name serves as an identifier, especially useful when managing multiple discussions. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu designed to give you options for managing your chat. In this drop-down menu, you'll notice various options. Look for the Delete option. Keep in mind that you might also see options like Rename if you want to change the title of the conversation instead. However, our focus today is on deletion. Don't rush. Double-check that this is the conversation you intend to remove, as this action, once completed, cannot be undone. Finally, clicking Delete prompts a confirmation to ensure you're absolutely certain about deleting the conversation. This confirmation step is crucial. It's designed to prevent accidental deletions. Once you've verified that you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. This action will immediately remove the conversation from your chat list, leaving you with a cleaner, more organized interface. By following these steps, you'll keep your chat history neatly managed, focusing only on active, relevant conversations. Regularly tidying up your chat list not only improves digital organization, but also enhances your focus on current projects and discussions. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful, making the process of deleting a Claude AI chat straightforward and effortless. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or check out our other tutorial videos addressing different features and tricks for optimizing your Claude AI experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you through more digital tasks in future videos.